Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing the first day of the 100-day challenge. You like that? Yeah? No. Anyway, we are going to be doing an 100-day challenge. I'm pretty sure that we're going to post the intro because we were brothers and stuff. I think we're going to post it at Facebook. I don't know. I'm not positive, but we're not here to talk about that today. I have a worse cough and cold. I was going to do a makeup tutorial, but you see that I'm not doing that today. No. No. Cups are closed. And anyway, so today we're going to make something for my cough. For my cough and cold and runny nose. Hey, speaking of that, let me go grab a Kleenex. Just a bit. I promise I'm gonna be back. It'll take 30 seconds. I promise. Hopefully that didn't take. If it did, I apologize. This is. Wait, what? Why am I telling you a Kleenex? A Kleenex box. Alrighty. Don't mind me. It's an ordinary YouTuber blowing my nose. Alrighty. Anyway. We're gonna make an essential oil for your throat and runny nose, and yeah. Alrighty, I'm like looking down. I don't know why, but yeah. So let's get started. So the things you are gonna need: a spoon to mix with, a cough drop, a mint leaf, a little mixing tub, whatever this is. It's violent competition oil. I don't know how to say that because you would be very happy. Anyway, I can read that. It's just no. I can't. And then you're gonna need some peppermint oil. Peppermint. Alright, we're good. We're good. Then we're gonna need a container. Ooh, you can see what you. Hello. Hi. Anyway, alrighty. After that, now time to get it on with it. So, why am I opening this? Okay, I'll open it just in case. So, our first thing that we are going to put in here is this oil. You know, I can't say it. And then just gonna okay, wait. Can you take this top off or something so it doesn't take me a million freaking years? Why am I using my nails? I have a spoon here for a reason. Going to attempt to take it off. If it doesn't, well, this will be a very long video. Come on. This has to come. You know what, nails? Reinforcements! Okay, I'm gonna pause this just a minute. Just a minute. Alright, so I got it open. As you can see, I took the top off, and we're gonna just put some in there. Not too much because my mom uses this for her neck. And then we're gonna pop that back on. Why is it so easy to pop back on? Why? I should have paused that when I went to grab the Kleenex box. Oh well. But okay, so we got that in there. Can you see it moving around? Can you see it moving around? Okay, now you're gonna be like, how is this gonna fit this thing? We're gonna crush it. So I don't know how we're gonna get the peppermint oil out of this because it's like a rollerball applicator. Do you see that? I'll try to get it off. I'll attempt to. I was afraid that this wasn't gonna put back on. I was like, crap. But it did really easily. So no hesitation. This is the lemon flavored one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video again, so I'll be back when this is crushed. Bye bye. All right, so we got it unpaused. We got it crushed. I don't know why I said on, but okay, we're just gonna. This is very difficult to scoop into my hand. So we got like that much. Can you see the shards? Right here. Okay, we're gonna plop that in. Plop. And then this tiny, and then this chunk right here. This chunk. This chunk. And then the next thing is this peppermint. Like the peppermint. The peppermint. Ah, I love the way this smells. This smells. Tear it up now. Okay, last video I was like this, and I was here. Wait. Okay, I was like this far down, and so I'm kneeling on this chair to be taller. I knew grace of being tall. I'm short. I'm just short. Short. Alrighty, now for the peppermint. My brother's getting something to eat because we are in the kitchen. Anyway, what was I gonna say? Yeah, peppermint oil. Peppermint oil. We're gonna attempt. How am I gonna get this out? This is not gonna work. How do you get this thing? This is not gonna work. Here, I'll just. Did that do anything? It got a little bit. Keep doing it. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, go like this. And then wipe it off. Okay, now got some of. Don't drip out, please. Got some of the. We got this ginormous man in the background, and now that we got the peppermint oil in a little bit. I'm gonna do this to your videos, you big pooper. What are you doing? Have you even made a video today yet? Okay. Caca! Let go! Caca! Get out of here. Anyway, now, I'm not gonna cut that out because it's a real life. Get out of here, you big fart. I'm gonna stab you in the eyeball. Anyway, we're gonna stir that up. Stir it up. I'm gonna add a little bit more peppermint. Okay. Stir it up now. Okay, now I'm gonna attempt to pour this into the bottle. Okay, it's working.
She's so sweet.
Okay, get in the peppermint leaves.
No, they actually have their own.
Okay. Okay, this stuff didn't really get in there, so I'm gonna and then plop it in there. Okay, that only makes this much, but the most ingredient that I put in here was this, and my mom uses this a lot. And you see, it's not that big. It's not that big. Okay, my knees are hurting. Okay, I'm just gonna all right, there. Is that better? Oh, that feels so good. Anyway, we're gonna put the rest of the chunks. Get in there. Get in. Okay. Is it okay if I lean backwards? No. Anyway. Just a minute. Anyway, gonna add a little bit more of the cough drop because there's not a lot in there. Alrighty. So then you're gonna shake it up. Ooh, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Wait, listen. Can you hear that? Well, that is this. Let's see how it works. Ooh. 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 Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, I can smell and breathe a lot clearer. Woo! That works. That works. It works a lot. Alrighty. So, thank you guys for watching this video on how to make this ridiculous oil. That is amazing. That works. It's freaking fantastic. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching and heading on out. Woo! First one to make the first video on, that makes no sense. First one to take video on the first day of the 100-day challenge. Woo! We got this. High five.